Designing a small kitchen may seem like a challenge at first glance, but in reality, it's a hidden opportunity to explore creativity at its finest. Instead of seeing the size as a limitation, think of it as a blank canvas where every inch becomes a chance to make something smart, stylish, and uniquely yours. In larger kitchens, it's easy for space to feel empty, wasted, or cluttered with unnecessary additions. So today, we're not just talking about designing a kitchen with limited dimensions. We're talking about unlocking the hidden potential of a compact space and discovering how, with the right ideas, even the most modest layouts can rival the elegance and functionality of luxurious, open-plan homes. Understanding the space. The first step in imagining a compact kitchen is to understand the space itself. It's not too tiny, but also not too large. It sits in that sweet spot where you have enough room to work while still needing to be careful about how the layout flows. Think of it as designing a puzzle, where each piece, whether it's a cabinet, countertop, or appliance, must fit together seamlessly. The charm of a kitchen this size lies in its efficiency. Everything is close at hand, making cooking quicker and more convenient. But at the same time, the design must be executed in a way that avoids clutter and keeps the area looking open. The role of natural light. One of the most effective ways to transform a small kitchen is by maximizing natural light. Even a modest-sized window can be a complete game changer. The soft glow of daylight not only makes the room feel bigger, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages you to spend time there. Even if the kitchen only has a small window, keeping the area around it open, using light curtains or blinds, and choosing reflective surfaces like glossy tiles or polished counters can spread that light around the room. Natural light becomes both a functional and decorative element in such compact spaces, giving the kitchen a sense of freshness and openness that artificial lighting alone can never achieve. Layout possibilities in a compact kitchen. When working with a 6-foot by 9-foot space, the layout is everything. Some homeowners prefer a simple straight-line arrangement, where the sink, stove, and fridge align along one wall. Others may find a galley-style kitchen more suitable, with counters and cabinets running parallel to each other. And for those who dream of a more interactive space, an L-shaped design can work wonders, creating an open corner that feels welcoming. Each layout has its benefits, and the beauty of a kitchen this size is that you can adapt it based on your lifestyle. The key is to make the workflow smooth, ensuring that every task, from prepping ingredients to serving food, feels effortless. Storage that blends with style. In any compact kitchen, storage isn't just about functionality, it's also about style. Cabinets, shelves, and drawers need to hold everything you need, but they should also blend beautifully into the overall design. Overhead cabinets can draw the eye upward, making the room feel taller, while open shelving can break up the monotony and provide a chance to display attractive dishes or plants. The trick is balance. Too much storage can make the space feel heavy, but too little leaves the kitchen impractical. Finding that sweet spot ensures the kitchen remains both useful and visually appealing. The impact of color and finishes. Color plays a huge role in shaping the atmosphere of a small kitchen. Light tones such as whites, creams, and soft pastels are often favored because they reflect light and create a sense of openness. But that doesn't mean darker shades can't be used. A bold accent wall, a black countertop, or deep-toned cabinetry can add depth and richness if balanced with lighter elements elsewhere. Finishes also matter. Glossy surfaces bounce light around, while matte textures create a sophisticated, modern feel. Choosing the right palette can completely transform the mood of the room, making it feel brighter, larger, and more welcoming than its actual size suggests. Appliances for smaller spaces. Appliances are the heart of any kitchen, and in a smaller one. Choosing wisely is crucial. Limited space doesn't mean compromising on functionality. It simply means finding compact versions of the essentials. Slim refrigerators, built-in ovens, or multifunctional microwaves are excellent examples of how modern appliances are designed to save space without reducing performance. Even small dishwashers and induction cooktops have become popular choices for compact layouts, offering the same convenience without overwhelming the room. These smart selections make the kitchen more practical while ensuring it still looks streamlined, modern, and effortlessly stylish. Creating an illusion of space. Even though the kitchen is compact, design tricks can create the illusion of a much larger room. Reflective backsplashes, continuous flooring that flows into adjoining rooms, and clever lighting can all visually expand the space. Mirrors or high-gloss cabinet doors are also effective in bouncing light and opening up the feel of the room. The illusion isn't about tricking the eye, but about designing in a way that maximizes every angle, giving the impression of openness and sophistication. Personal touches and style statements. A small kitchen doesn't have to feel generic. Personal touches can bring life and warmth to the space. A piece of wall art, a unique backsplash design, or a set of decorative jars can transform the kitchen into a place that feels uniquely yours. Plants can also add freshness, breathing life into the room. These touches remind us that even in a compact 6-foot by 9-foot space, there is room for personality and creativity. Function meets comfort. Ultimately, a small kitchen should feel comfortable. Whether it's the height of the counters, the placement of the sink, or the accessibility of your storage, every detail contributes to making the space functional for daily life. When comfort is prioritized, the kitchen becomes more than just a place to cook. It becomes a place where you enjoy spending time, experimenting with recipes, or even sharing the space with family members. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might be planning their own updates. Thanks for watching.